A warning to some road users this evening about how they are endangering their lives. The call came at Saturday's Driver and Traffic Safety Expo.
Joggers and 5K people are training in the morning, 5, 6 o'clock, by running in the road. You have Manning Cup people, Manning Cup season, you have the schools training by jogging in the road. I don't know what a sidewalk is there for, but cars can't drive on sidewalks.
The country has surpassed 200 road fatalities since the start of the year. So far, 201 persons have died compared to 160 for the corresponding period last year. This is why the National Road Safety Council wants road campaigns to be given greater focus by the government.
Some of them, affect the household because that person may be the breadwinner, and it can often put that household below the poverty line. So road traffic injuries and deaths are a very serious thing to families and to the country on a whole. We're trying to grow, I'm not going to get too technical, but we're trying to grow the economy by a 3 to 5%. It's almost that is being wiped away by road traffic crashes. So really, road safety, promoting road safety is as important as any IMF program because it will save the nation quite a bit.